Now, children, we are going to start with unit first, me and Lifra. So, let's study with the chapter number first about myself. I will tell you in this chapter about how you will introduce yourself in someone in front of someone. So, what you will do, first of all, you will paste your photograph. आपको अपनी photograph paste करनी है. Then you will start with hello friends, my name is, whatever is your name you have to write here. I am 7-year-old. Write my address, you have to write the address. The name of my school is, you have to write the name. I am in class second and you have to write the section also A, B, C. The name of my best friend, you have to write the name of your best friend over here. And my height is and weight. You have to note your height over here and you have to write your weight over there. So my favorite. So it's the work you will do yourself. TV channel, cartoon, whatever the channel you like. Game, what you like to play, cricket, football. Next, animal, parrot, dog, any toy. Whatever toy you like, you will write the name. Food or flower, right? This chapter has been completed. Let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 2. My family. Different family members have different names. So different family members are called by different names. So we all live in a family. Some of us live in nuclear families and some in joint family. Nuclear family आपकी दो तरीके से होते हैं, big family and small family. Big family in which parents and more than 2 children live, and small family in which we have 1 or 2 children and a pet. Joint family in which grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, parents and siblings, cousin all live is called joint family. So a family where our parents and their children live together, it is called a dash family. What it is called? Nuclear family. Next is a family where grandparents, parents, children live together is called, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Joint family. It is called. When we live with our parents, grandparents and uncles, we form a dash family. हम क्या form करते हैं? Extended family. Families dash festivals and special occasion together. हम क्या करते हैं? Celebrate करते हैं. So I live in a dash family, nuclear or joint. You have to write your use over here. I'm not writing it. It's your work. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 3. That is, we love yoga. So yoga can keep us healthy. Yoga में healthy रखती है. Right? Look at this simple and child-friendly yoga posture. So try this posture under the guidance of an expert. Please do not do them on your own. आपको अपने आप नहीं करना है. Right? So let's study about this posture now. This is mountain posture. This is chair posture. Crescent moon. आधा मून होता है ना, crescent moon जिसे हम कहते हैं. Butterfly posture. This is corpse posture. Happy baby posture. This is child posture and this is downward facing dog posture. So when do we celebrate Yoga Day? It is celebrated on 21st June every year. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 4. What it is? I am eco-friendly. What is eco-friendly? It means environmental friend. So you have to tell, are you an eco-friendly child or not? So cross the picture which are not showing eco-friendly activity. जो eco-friendly activity show नहीं कर रही, आप उनको cross कर. Plucking the flower, it's not eco-friendly. Right? Throwing garbage here and there, it's not eco-friendly. Throwing garbage, it's eco-friendly. Right? Watering plant, it is eco-friendly. It is also eco-friendly. Now let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 5, safety habits. Following are some safety habits that we must follow as a good child. So let's study about some safety habits. It's protect us from accidents. Always walk on the footpath. हमेशा आपको footpath पे walk करना है. Never touch electric switch. आपको जो electric switch होते हैं ना, उनको गीले हाथों से, wet hand से नहीं touch करना है. Right? Wait in a queue to get a school bus. Do not swim in pool alone. Never play with matchstick. जो आपकी matches होते हैं उससे नहीं खेलना चाहिए. By mistake, you may catch fire to any object. Do not play with blades and scissors. Your hands may be cut. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 6, our routine. Everyone has their daily routine. So let's study about our daily life is the life that we follow on day to day. So our daily life consists of our daily activity. So a good daily routine is very important. For being a healthy and a smart person, you must have a good daily routine. So we should wake up early in the morning. आपको सुबह जल्दी उठना है. We should brush our teeth twice a day. दिन में 2 बार आपको ब्रश करना है. We should bath daily. आपको रोज नहाना है. We should reach our school on time. और आपको proper uniform पहन के जाना. We should eat our meals on time and chewing slowly. We should fix a time for playing. We can play both indoor and outdoor game. आपको दोनों indoor game भी खेलना है और outdoor games भी खेलना है. We should self-study daily and complete our homework. We should watch informative program. आपको informative program watch करना है. We should go to bed at the right time and fall in the sound sleep to wake up fresh. ठीक है? आपको अच्छी sleep लेनी है जिससे आप सुबह दोबारा से क्या उठो fresh है. Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 7. Be clean. We must always keep our body clean. आपको अपनी body को clean रखना चाहिए. We use many things to keep us clean. Cleanliness helps us to remain healthy. और आप cleanliness अगर आपके body के होगी तो आप कैसे रहोगे? Healthy हो. So let's fill them by using picture. This is toothpaste. This is toothbrush. This is shampoo. This is oil. This is soap. Fourth one is towel. Now our chapter has been completed. We have completed all the chapter of unit 1. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.